Today is Monday, May 4th, and today is the start of my 4th week from quitting my corporate job. So this will be, like I said, the start of the 4th week, which is very exciting. I'm just cleaning up a little bit. The house is like such a mess. This past weekend, I was gone Saturday all day. I actually got my first cleaning client, which is super exciting. I know I've talked about it a little bit here before, but I've had a cleaning business for like 4 or 5 years, and that was kind of the plan with like quitting my corporate job, was just to like put my time and energy into things that I actually enjoy doing. And so yeah, so I cleaned Saturday for like 5 hours, and then I had a birthday party, an adult birthday party to go to. So I was not home Saturday. And then yesterday we took our youngest, we went fishing, and just it was just kind of like a really lazy day. I wasn't feeling like super well. So didn't get anything done around the house, to be honest. And so it's gonna be a little clean with me day. I'm just about ready to drink my chia water. If you know, you guys know, every morning I drink, I put 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in some water. I let it soak for like 20 minutes and then I drink it. And it's a really nice way to just kind of like keep your weight in check. And everybody needs more fiber. Like, trust me, if you think you're getting enough fiber, most likely you're not. And this is a really good, easy way to get more fiber in. I'm trying to think what else. Let's see. If I look very tired right now, I am. I did not get a whole lot of sleep last night. Oh, and my stomach hurts really bad. So I have OCD, and I've briefly talked about that on this channel before, but I started taking this NAC supplement, and we'll see how it goes. It says that you're supposed to take it like first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and yeah, it's making my stomach hurt quite a bit, and so that's a big bummer. I'm hoping that passes soon, but evidently it's supposed to help with OCD symptoms. I try to be on like a medication, but I really don't like taking like medications and like things like that. Also, the meds that I was on, the prescription that I was on, it caused some pretty scary like thoughts that I've never had before. So due to that, I was like, I'm not going to continue to take this. This is actually putting me in a worse mental state than I ever have been in my life. And so so I stopped taking that. So evidently NAC is supposed to help a lot, and there's not like too many terrible side effects. I'm wondering if it's just because it's like the first time I've ever taken it, and that's why it's like causing my stomach to hurt a lot. So I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, cheers. I love drinking this first thing in the morning, and then I have my coffee. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drink this, I'll make my coffee, and then yeah, we're gonna just like clean up a little bit. I'm gonna go on a walk soon because it is already 55 degrees outside. I love going on a morning walk on our little trail that we have behind our house, and get some sunlight and some fresh air, and just kind of get a good start to the week going. And yeah, I think it's gonna be a really nice, beautiful day, and we'll do a little cleaning today. So cheers to that.
He's smart enough to get over on that, and just, he was really a very easy going. He really, what am I gonna do for this?
It's 9 o'clock. I just finished my coffee. It's 61 degrees outside. I am going to go on a quick little walk because it's so nice out and I can. So, be right back. Okay, it is a little bit later in the day. Just kind of cleaned the kitchen a little bit, and now I need to vacuum the floors because you guys know, sorry, my hair is insane. You guys know I can't stand a crumb on my foot. I'm constantly walking around barefoot, and I just can't stand it. So wiped everything down. I always do that first, and then I need to vacuum. So let's get to that. I just got done vacuuming, as you guys saw, and I made this like little fun, I'm calling it an electrolyte drink, and I thought I would share because it's like really good and super easy. So, super simple. Okay, so I just filled my Hydro Jug up with a bunch of ice and water, and I do have one of those, like, I don't know, one of those things where you put the lemon in and then you squeeze it. I can't remember what they're called, like a little juicer, but it's in the dishwasher because I made this drink last night. But anyways, I'm just squeezing in one whole lemon. Last night I did an orange as well, but that was my last one, so I don't have an orange. But if you have an orange, any sort of like citrus at all, I'm doing one lime. And then I have, I'll show you guys, this like little flaky sea salt. Hopefully you can see that. I do just like a pinch, just a little shake of little Malden sea salt flakes. So good. The ones that I get are from Amazon. I'll link them below. And then you can do, if you want, you can do, like, if you have maple syrup or honey, and if you like that as like a sweetener, definitely do that. Last night I did just like a tablespoon of sugar, and that's probably a lot for some people. I don't care. This was like the most refreshing drink ever. Okay, put the lid on. You can skip the sugar if you don't want to do that and just do the citrusy with the salt. Really good. And then just give it a little bit of a shake. Oh my gosh. It's so freaking good. It's like, it gives me everything that I want. It's like citrusy, salty, sweet. I don't know. It's so good. And I know you're probably thinking, what's going on with the sugar? But trust me, it makes my heart and my soul really happy. And when I chug that, it's so delicious. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and edit this video. If you guys saw, hopefully you did, I finally got my series part 3 of my spring cleaning series video up, so check that out. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. I love all things home and just like homemaking, cleaning my house, decorating my house. Every once in a while we'll do like a little DIY, little renovation. Love doing that. Check those out on my channel. But yeah, I think that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye.